everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to add to favorite on ShopPay. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video since the process is quite easy. Open a web browser of your choice and type in shop.app in the URL box. Once you get to the main homepage, go ahead and type in the name of the product you'd like to search for in the search box. Once you find the related shops you can find the product on, go ahead and select one of the shops and expand the menu. Now, go through the product and find the product you'd like to add as a favorite and click on the heart icon. Once you add the product as your favorite, you will then be able to find the products inside your favorite list at the top right hand corner. You can use the favorites option just in case you want to track the products so that you can buy them later. So that is how you can easily add to favorite on ShopPay. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.